Hey guys, it's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm here with a video of GGLOT, which is a audio and video, basically text translation transcription service. So I'm super excited to tell you guys about it because if you were ever thinking, oh, how am I going to get these subtitles correctly in more than one language, it has over 60 languages for you to choose from. The price is competitive and it starts with a free tier. So I'm going to go over to the website, but if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So this is GGLOT, right? So this is an overview of the website where you can transcribe any audio or video to text. So here you can do audio to text, video to text, or speech to text. I'm going to show you guys the prices, but I want to just go ahead and scroll down so you can kind of get a good look of it and learn how it works. So it is designed with speed in mind. Like I said, over 60 languages. You can upload your files, and it tells you all of the files that they support, which is a wide array of different files. Make a payment here when you choose whatever plan. You can download the transcript and send it to your email. Okay, so audio to text just kind of shows you how you upload your audio. You can download the files, quick, easy audio translation. Video to text does the same thing. Speech to text as well. I'm going to keep on going. So it has a nice, sleek dashboard as well that is easy to use and help you export your files, and it is leading in the technology. So again, it has a competitive pricing. I'm going to show you guys that. It has a free membership, which is $0 a month, the business subscription, which is $19 a month, and then you have the pro. So each of them have different plans where it's a certain amount per minute, and just the free plan comes with, the less file storage and premium support. But you can choose whatever is best for your business. If you're a YouTuber or a blogger, this is great for you to just kind of get your foot in the game and get started. I've tried different websites, but by far, I love the sleek design of this one. So if you want to try it out, you can go ahead and hit try GGLOT. But I already have an account, so I'm going to go over to my account. And I have prepared two files. I've prepared a video file, and I've also prepared a audio file, okay? So we're going to just go over here to transcriptions. And here you can choose your audio or video file. So I'm going to go ahead and get my audio file first. Okay. And it says source language. Go down to English. Here we go. And it's only one speaker, which is me. So I'm going to hit upload. Quality check. There's no background noise. There's clear speech. Okay, just making sure you got all your files correctly. So it's doing its work. And it said it is 1 minute, which is 9 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and get the transcription. So now the transcription is in progress. It says estimated arrival time 1 minute. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to transcriptions, and then I'm going to go down, and it says it's complete. So I'm going to go ahead over here and open it up. So it says this is an audio test for GGLOT, and I'm telling you guys what my name is. I think I said it wrong, but this is an audio test for GGLOT. I'm Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this audio translation video. Okay, so of course it's not great, so I'm going to go in and fix it. The part that is not right. But for the most part, it was done correctly, right? So I'm going to hit save. And in this test audio, I did pronounce the business name wrong, but don't fault me on that, okay? So I changed it, I saved it, And here, when you hit translations, you can change it from, so I think my language is English would be first. Go down to United States and say I want to translate it to, let's see, a subtitle and hit translate. Even though it's already in English, but you know, that's just something that you would want to do. And then if I wanted to open it, okay? And then here, if you wanted to export it, you can, this is the file for the YouTube subtitles, all right? So now we're gonna go back to translations, and I did a YouTube video, so I'm gonna get the YouTube URL, and let's see, position your file. Oh, I gotta do source language, sorry guys. I was trying to click upload and I had one more step. So that I just got a link from YouTube that I used to upload a video. So now it's doing the YouTube video and it's translating it. So here's the YouTube video. It's 1 minute, 9 cents. It says get transcription. So it's in progress. We're going to go back to transcriptions. It should not take long, again, just like the other one. But you can see here, it's showing you that it's in process. Now it's complete. So now it says, let's listen to it. Hey guys, I am Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. I am prepping this YouTube video for GGLOT video review, so I am going to upload this video to YouTube and use it inside of my video. So until next time, peace. All right, so that one did not get half of the beginning of my video, but it did get this part I'm going to upload. Of course, all of it is not completely 100%, but it is pretty much accurate. So sometimes you might have to spend a little time and just getting the wording right, but for the most part, it did get the end part of it as well. So we're going to go to your dashboard, let you know that, you know, where all of your files and stuff will be. Just an overview of how much money you have, how much you spent. Here is where all your files will be housed. Again, all of the translations that you've done, your payment options here, your subscriptions, decide which plan you want to use. They do have a referral program. So you invite your friends to GGLOT and you get $5 to your account, okay? So I am going to make sure I have my referral link in the description box for you guys to use. And then this is the newest thing, which is the audio converter, which I think I did show you guys this one, I think. But let's check it out and see what this is. So you can convert the audio to a different format, okay? So I can, but it was already MP3, but so it would have been smart of me to do it as a wave. So you can convert that as there and have that audio here. They do have medical transcription. I don't have a need for it, but hey, if you need medical transcription for your business or for your job, GGLOT has that for you. So let me know if you guys can use this service or use this company to translate your audio and your video subtitles for your YouTube videos in your blogging business, or just for anything that you do in your life. I hope this helps you out. Don't forget to check out my referral code in the description box so you can start using GGLOT today. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.